This is Zane Martin with Coldwell Banker, Mark Campbell & Associates, your first step in real estate. And today I wanted to just continue on our series on the 8 steps of becoming a homeowner. And today we're going to talk about step number 5. If y'all remember, just walk back through the first 4 steps real quick. Step 1 is you want to get hooked up with a real estate agent that you trust. You want to give me a call. Step number 2 is you need to get pre-qualified for a loan. Before you even want to start looking for a house, you want to know how much house you can afford. Step number 3 is you want to actually find the house that you're looking for. You want to make sure to remember the key things and what to look for in a house. Step number 4 is you actually start negotiating and making offers on houses. And today we're going to talk about step number 5. And this step comes after you've made an offer on a house, it's been accepted. We entered into step number 5, and this is called the option period. And every single one contract, or almost every contract I write on a residential home, I make sure to include a 10-day option period. And what this is that for the first 10 days that you're in contract, the first 10 days you go under contract, you can back out for any. You have the option to back out for any reason. And so the reason you want to have this included in your contract is because you want to make sure that if something's wrong with the house, you're able to back out and you still can maintain your earnest money. Most houses, in order to go under contract, you have to offer up around 1% of earnest money to the sellers to know that you're serious about buying the home. And so you want to be able to back out in those first 10 days. If you have to back out in those first 10 days, you want to be able to maintain that earnest money because it can be a serious chunk of change. And so what we want to do during the option period is we want to make sure we get the house inspected first and foremost. And in doing this, what we'll do is we'll hire a licensed home inspector. He's going to come, he's going to inspect the roof, he'll inspect the structure of the house, he's going to inspect the plumbing, the electrical system, he's going to inspect the appliances, he's going to inspect everything throughout the house to make sure that the house is solid. He's going to, if he sees any deficiencies, which they always do, he's going to note them and check off to see what he thinks is a problem. And this is important because a lot of times when you're buying a house, there's things that might be wrong with it that you don't know just walking through it. And when you're making possibly the biggest investment of your life, you want to make sure that you know what you're buying. And during this option period, after you get the inspection, sometimes there's things on the house that you don't want to be there. The things that you think need to be fixed, or the things that sometimes your loan will require you to get fixed. And so during this option period, once you see once those things come up in the inspection, you're able to negotiate with the seller on if you need repairs, if you need to lower the price of the house even more to make up for the things that you found, different things like that. And sometimes you find problems that are serious enough that you have to back out of the contract entirely. And so the option period gives you that option. Another thing you want to do is you want to make sure you get your WDI inspection, a wood destroying insects, and that's when you hire a licensed pest inspector or exterminator to come through and inspect to make sure there's no termite damage or anything like that. And it's also a good idea during this option period to just walk through the house again and make sure that it really is the right fit for you. Again, that's our video for today on the 5th step of buying a home, the option period. Please follow me and watch for my video tomorrow. I'm Zane Martin, your first step in real estate. If you have any more questions, feel free to call me at 817-629-5282, or you can message me on here on Facebook. Thank you.